डॉक्टर साहब ने बिल्कुल बात की कि पैसा हमारे पास बहुत है. It's just the system which we have to upgrade together. Finally, I would like to congratulate Dr. Sahib for having this conference, because national food security is now national security for us. It is not possible for us to be importing, keep on importing. The current years have shown that we don't have money, we don't have foreign exchange to import. So for all practical purposes, we don't only want to be self-reliant, self-sustainable. But for all practical purposes, if we have to overcome the twin deficit of forex and current account deficit, we should also be in a position to not only grow the crops in Pakistan, but also to process, add value, and to export to get the foreign exchange. So I hope during these 2 or 3 days, these few points which I raised during this period of time would be deliberated, and the final report of that 3 days deliberations would be shared with the Ministry of National Security. I thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your glowing remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are all aware that research requires conducive environment, and the government functionaries always intervene for better environment in order to support the researcher, in order to encourage the researchers, either by using different outputs, different policies for gain sharing of the productivity. It may be sometimes